Good day, students. You are welcome to the 6th lesson for the course GNS 101 Use of Library. In today's lesson, we are going to dwell on library classification. The various types of classification schemes in the library are going to be discussed, and also the functions of classification schemes. Thank you. I promise you a wonderful time in the course of the lesson. Definition of classification. Classification is the order of grouping things based on common features. It is a systematic way of arranging ideas, books, and some other things. Classification in the library brings together materials on the same subject or topic for easy access, retrieval, and use. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to discuss the term classification and its purposes in the library, identify and differentiate types of classification schemes used in libraries, and retrieve library resources irrespective of the classification scheme being used. Functions of classification include helping you to understand the arrangement of books, assisting you in quick location and replacement of books on the shelves. It is also useful for shelving properly in the library. There are also some other functions. Types of classification schemes. They are general or universal classification scheme. This scheme caters for all body of knowledge. That means it can be used to classify any type of subject. Special classification scheme was tailored towards organizing special collections, while the national classification scheme was developed for use within a particular country. The Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme is a general classification scheme which divides knowledge into 10 broad areas, while the Library of Congress Classification Scheme is another type of general classification scheme, but it divides knowledge into 26 broad areas using the letters of the English alphabet. This is the classification scheme that is being used in LASU Library. There are other types which include Moyse classification scheme. The Moyse classification scheme is used for law collection. The Library of Medicine classification scheme is a classification scheme that is used in medical libraries. By way of summary and conclusion, organization of library resources is of utmost importance because it helps you to explore library resources to the fullest. Classification schemes are systematic plans or designs used for the arrangement of library materials.